Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save WhatsApp stickers so you can use them anytime. It's quick, simple, and works perfectly on both Android and iPhone. Let's start. First of all, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once WhatsApp opens, go to the chat where the sticker was sent. Now select the chat that has the sticker you want to save. Open the chat so the sticker appears on your screen. Tap on the sticker you want to save. When you tap it, different options will appear on the screen. Look for the option that says Add to Favorites. Now tap on Add to Favorites. The sticker will instantly be saved to your favorites section. You can now use this sticker anytime while chatting, and that's how you can easily save WhatsApp stickers in just a few taps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment below if you want more WhatsApp tips and tricks. See you in the next video.